wanted to make sure you were aware. I'm on my mobile. Da, 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 da.
I like it. I like it.
Is that too much?
No. And yeah, the less salesy and the less sizzle, the better. But you're well on your way with that. Hey, wanted to reach out to you personally. Yeah, there's a little known tax strategy, especially small business owners. They're not aware of it because they got a ton of stuff going on. I just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of this. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202, right? Just smooth and easy. And then make good on that promise when they call you. But finish out the insight with how are you dealing with that.
Got you. Last thing. So I came from, purely insurance,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I want to know how to reach out. Usually insurance is like a one and done thing.
Mm-hmm.
I want to call these people that I haven't talked to in 2 years or so. I'm trying to figure out how to get back in the loop with them.
Yeah.
So what kind of hook would you recommend for that? There is some familiarity because we did business together,
Mm-hmm.
but I haven't spoken to them in 2 years after non-competes and things like that. So what do you recommend?
I wouldn't reference that it's been 2 years. I certainly wouldn't reference non-compete because they might get prickly. Might just be, hey, I wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. I now have a senior position with blankety blank in terms of financial services. Anything you need, I know we've worked together in the past. I always enjoyed working with you. Anything you need in terms of, financial analysis, even if it's just a second opinion, deal me in. I loved working with you before. I'm happy to help you. Got a great team of people behind me. Could be as simple as the raise your hand call, right? Could be the insight. Man, I was thinking about you guys because I know we worked together in a past life, and with you guys being small business owners, there's a little tax strategy that a lot of the kind of the elite level small businesses, they're sharing with each other. And I remembered working with you guys in the past. I just want to make sure you're aware of what's going on. I'm on my mobile. Any of those hooks from the Easton cold calling and prospecting course would apply in this case.
Hey Dad, what's an easy way for salespeople to make a lot more money right now?
I got you, and I got you. It's to learn how to close. It's the simplest thing that I teach, and people that know how to close, boom, they start making a lot more money. And I'm gonna pay $300 for you to learn how to close right here, right now. It's the closing mini masterclass from me, from Easton University. I'm gonna give it away to you for free right now. Click the link and I will send you the closing mini masterclass for free. You're gonna make a lot more money. They're gonna make a lot more money. You're gonna make a lot more money. I want you to take it too, all right? We'll see you on the other side. Grab the closing mini masterclass.